No, I let go of frame early.
Don't believe me, just watch.
Yep, not surprised. Rip fluke.
Dude, what? What is this?
You don't need to hear that anymore, that's what.
I don't know what to do in this, or I don't know what to do in Rec right now. I think I'm gonna just grind Terra until I get it, instead of doing anything else.
You wanna do a Black Blizzard death?
Death? Oh god, that would
Definitely.
go horribly.
I think we could probably do it, honestly. It's not that hard.
Oh, maybe I thought, yeah. I thought the level was bugged because I would always play from the start position level.
Oh.
And it's probably...
Shut up, you're making me laugh. Okay, here we go.
Go!
Oh, oh my god, I was so close! Okay.
Just watch better. Oh? Oh?
Come on.
And GG.
Wait. Don't pull an Adrian.
No, not you!
My heart's racing. Stop. Yo! I already beat it!
GG.
Let's go! I beat Black Blizzard!
Nice.
Yay! One attempt! Let's go! I beat Black Blizzard!
You beat Black Blizzard in one attempt.
Yes! I beat Black Blizzard. Okay, nice.